Welcome to the future of health and wellness. Let's talk about living longer and stronger. Thanks to groundbreaking advancements in health technology, this dream is becoming a reality. From smart wearables that monitor our heart rates and sleep cycles, to AI-powered apps that personalize our diets and exercise routines, we're on the brink of a longevity revolution. Take smartwatches, for example. These aren't just fancy accessories anymore. They're like having a mini doctor on your wrist, tracking your health in real time and alerting you to potential issues before they become serious. How cool is that? Then there's telemedicine. Remember those long waits at the doctor's office? Gone. Now, you can get expert medical advice from the comfort of your home, all thanks to video consultations and remote monitoring tools. And let's not forget about AI and big data. These tech wonders are analyzing massive amounts of health data to predict illnesses before they happen. It's like having a crystal ball for your health. But the real game changer? Personalized medicine. Imagine treatments tailored just for you. No more one-size-fits-all solutions. We're talking about medications and therapies designed to work best with your unique genetic makeup. So, whether it's a smartwatch, a telemedicine app, or an AI-driven health plan, these innovations are not just adding years to our lives, but life to our years. Here's to living longer and living better. Stay curious, stay healthy, and embrace the future of longevity, because the best is yet to come.